Hey guys, it's Mercedes, also known as that mom here on the internet, and welcome back to my channel. I know, I say this in every single video, but I know all my uploads are a little bit, chaotic and everything, and well, I'm working on it. I'm working really hard on it. I am done with my second block of classes, and so that is 4 more classes closer to being done. And yeah, so hopefully life gets a little bit easier, but it's the holidays, so we're ramping up for the holidays. But anyway, neither here or there, because today's video is the ever-awaited video review of Drops laundry detergent. Yes, my box has jalapeno on it. There's a video explaining what's going on with this jalapeno, but anyway, so this is an empty box, by the way, guys. It's empty. I put all the pods from all my boxes in here, so it's a little bit easier for everybody in the laundry room. But anyway, Drops is a clean laundry product. I don't know why I said that, but anyway, according to the package right here, it has 2 million plus plastic containers kept out of the environment. This one says zero waste packaging, recyclable and compostable. This one is 32 laundry pods in the stain and odor detergent, clean and fresh. And let's open it up because it's kind of pretty on the inside. It's kind of fun box. Anyway, here is the inside of the box, and these 2 pieces flap out like so. And here we have the Drops story. It says Drops remaking the cleaning for good. We eliminate the BS, bad stuff, and focus on what works. We harness the power of nature to make products that really clean and make your life simpler. And it says, thank you. By using Drops, you are helping turn the tide against toxic pollution, plastic waste, and animal cruelty. Oh, and the dirt in your home. Making waves, we are proud to partner with Oceana, the largest international advocacy organization dedicated solely to ocean conservation. And that's just what all the different things say on the package. I'm going to go ahead and insert some way, shape, or form a screen grab from the website, because I was finally able to figure out how to do a screen grab. Oh my gosh. So I'm really excited about that. So I have to share it with you. Okay, so the screen grab was just the little bit of the overview, basically like what I read off the box from the website, but also I wanted to focus on the fact that the packaging is compostable. So the whole packaging, this is the paper tape and everything, so it's all compostable. This one has some jalapeno juice on it, but it's still compostable. I have to figure out and find out if I have a clip of the package in the container, because I thought I had a clip, but if not, I will have to show you another clip of some of the container that I have that's compostable from the Drops, because this is my 3rd Drops order. I was hoping to have my thoughts a little bit more in order by this time, but anyway, I don't. I do know that they work very well, so let me show you the pods. So like I said, I put the pods into here more for simplicity of not having to open and shut this all the time, because it's nice that you just have to like open it and grab one out. And in here it says to have 1 pod per load and drop directly into the bin. They're HE compatible. I don't think I said that yet, guys. But I found Drops. Well, let me finish showing you guys the pod and everything before I go off on that. Anyway, this is the pod. It's super duper tiny, super duper concentrated. If you guys watched my unboxing, you'll have seen the pod already. But I went ahead and I added in what was left of my 1 container plus this whole container. So there are 32 plus like 16 in here at least. Because we've also done some laundry since then. So all the spare ones that I knew I didn't quite count, they're in there too. So, yes, they're highly concentrated, and you do add them directly into the drum. Gosh, my nose is itchy. What I have found out, because you guys know the whole thing that was happening with the cats. So the cats are a little bit better. They're not marking their territory as much. But since Sissy passed away, we have had a lot of laundry because the cats, they've just been going kind of crazy because she's not here and everything. So, Animal Kingdom at its finest. Anyway, you guys know that we tried the LA is Totally Awesome detergent, but that's not HE compatible. So the drops are, and they are an eco product that I've been wanting to try for a while. Actually, I found them, what, a year or 2 years ago, maybe 3 years ago, watching Shelbizzle's videos. Shelby, you guys know I watch Shelby and Shelbizzle, the Shelby and Madison channel and Shelbizzle channel, like, religiously. She is like my eco kind of, kind of like a rough fact guide, because she gives a lot of facts and she gives a lot of information, and it's easy to digest. So a lot of the times I will share her videos about a specific topic if me and a person are talking about it and I want a little bit more of a concise, not the way my brain works, video put together. So I love watching her stuff. And she actually tried drops, and she also uses like the soap nuts. But drops definitely was one of the ones that got a really high approval rating from not just her, but her wife and her sister, I think, was using them at the one time as well. And so they're easy to use. They remind you of the Tide Pods, and they're not supposed to be as bad as the Tide Pods because, the whole deal with Tide Pods. But the ad has the founder sitting in a bathtub with his product. So he says that there are easy on the skin. It's not recommended to get in a bathtub with the product, though. It says that right there in the video, it's not recommended, but you can. So that was the whole point of being in the bathtub with the products. Anyway, it gets you actually thinking. It gets you thinking, like, what is in my other soap that I can't do this with, And then there's also the videos, the ads about the permastink. So these get rid of permastink. This one is the laundry, the heavy duty odor and stain fighter, because I got kids and I got the animals and we're busy. And you guys know that when I do wear my clothes, like now, I am getting stuff dirty. If you guys are wondering about that, go to the unboxing and you'll understand, because I mentioned how long I wear some clothes. We don't wash our clothes after every single wear unless they need to, because that's how you're supposed to do it, guys. Did you know you're not supposed to wash your jeans every single time you wear them? I didn't know that until doing a little bit more research. I'll throw up a couple little facts if I can about washing clothes. But gotta finish this kind of quick because the sun's going away. But anyway, the drops, like 2 pods at the max if it's a really dirty load, or if I tried to pre-treat some stuff in there so I know I need more, I will do 2 pods. 1 pod is just fine. I do 1 pod for like our daughter when she accidentally wets the bed. I will do 1 pod and it'll be just fine. I can do 2 pods. 2 pods works perfectly fine, but 1 pod for the most part, because right now we're having frequent accidents because the diapers, whole nother story. Anyway, so I will use 1 to 2 pods. And then my husband will use 2 pods on a lot of his stuff, because he's still, a lot of the times, the eco stuff, it still has people questioning whether they work well or not. I think they work just fine. I feel like they work just as fine, if not better. So, what's the price? The price is, there's 2 different prices. I should say. There's two different prices on their website, on Earth Hero website, on Amazon, on any other site that I think I've found them on. There are two different prices because there is a subscription price and there is a one-off price. So I purchased these one-off. I'm going to put the total up here, but it was 13 something for 32 pods, which is not bad at all. I think it comes out to like 25 cents or something like that a pod. I'll put that breakdown up there too. When compared with a normal container, let's just go back to the Tide Pods. I'll go ahead and put a comparison over here of the prices. So I didn't feel like this was any more expensive than my normal stuff to purchase. I did the whole price comparison when I had first purchased it and everything, and that's how I sold some family members on trying it as well, because the whole, well, it has to be more expensive because it's better. It doesn't have to be more expensive, guys. You vote with your dollar, though. So this is how I vote with mine. What else can I say about this product? Because I had so much stuff to say, and now I don't have anything to say other than they work. They're good. They are good. They're great. They get out the dog smell. 2 pods maybe for the dog smell to totally be out, but 1 pod works just fine to clean her stuff. I like them. It's easy when you go to compost it. Watch. I'm a weakling, so it's this easy to rip it up. And I have found out that the entire casing will fit within one of these side pockets. So like for me, sometimes I will let my kids help me because this is the 3rd package. I'll let my kids help me shred stuff for the compost pile. And if it's just this, then I will make them just put it into one of the sides like this. Pop it in. And then when I take compost out, I have it all within there, and then I can empty it, plus then shred the one side when I'm out there. Yeah, I think that the Drops products are a very good product. I like them. I will continue to keep buying them. We bought them 3 times now. I have only bought them like one-off because I don't know if I will have the money to be able to have a subscription. And right now they last us 1 to 3 months. So depending on how dirty our clothes are, how many pods we need to use is how fast they will go. So this container hopefully will last us, a good 2.5 months probably, or at least 2 months, so that I can buy another thing of Drops. But like I said, there's 32 plus 16 at least in here, so it should last at least 2 months, 2.5 months, so I can repurchase some more. I am going to say that this is a good product. It's a cost-saving product in my mind because, like I said, I gave you guys a comparison and it's not very different. I think it's actually a little bit cheaper. And then when you put the subscription price in, I'll go ahead and throw the subscription price in too, compared to buying 3 months worth of, like, say, Tide Pods. So, I think that's all. I thought I had a lot more stuff to insert, and if I can find it, I'll go ahead and insert some stuff. But I think that's it. Thank you guys for joining me, and we will see you guys in the next video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and a lot of you guys aren't subscribed to my channel. I would love if you did. If this video resonates with you, and if it resonates with anybody you might know, I would love you to share it. Thumbs up. Comment below. It helps the algorithm. Thank you guys for watching me, for watching this video, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!